How to add a new saved posts collection on Instagram on your account on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a new collection of your posts, of your saved posts on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see, after you click on your profile, you click here and now you go here on your saved, and now you will see this mark here. Click on it, and now you just what you have to do is write a name of your collection, and after this just click next, and it will be added a new collection. And that's how to add a new collection of saved posts. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.